Multiable AI review. Is it worth it? So Multiable is a cloud-native, AI-integrated enterprise resource planning system tailored to sectors like supply chain, manufacturing, retail, and distributions across Asia. It emphasizes no-code development, predictive automation, vertical-specific workflows, and a strong performance. So it comes with four major pros. It has an AI-driven automation and intelligence, built-in features like AI-powered visual assistants. It also has a no-code customization and workflow design, so users can create UI workflows and even report logic. It also offers high performance and operational efficiency, which means it is good on heavy usage. And they have a rapid, cost-effective deployment for mid-market firms. However, there are some four notable cons. So it comes with limited broad market recognition and reviews. It also has the AI and ERP, which is still in early adoption stage. The integration and AI also contain some hype risk, and they have potentially steep learning curve internally. So overall, if it's worth it or not, well, it depends. Multi-able AI is a solid innovation forward choice, especially for companies ready to deploy fast loading AI-backed ERP without the massive cost or complexity of legacy tools. It is a strong fit for businesses as well, but consider implementation strategy and support readiness carefully before trying the platform.